Yeah, okay, we are live then. Okay, so hi, this is Dr. Arun Panda, and we have come to the conclusion of our 6 days workshop, 3 days online and 3 days offline. So we had a beautiful batch with me this time, all over the place, all over the country, and somebody from Mauritius also who has been so kind enough to join us here. So we have done with our 6 days workshop, and let us try and find out from all our doctors who have come here, they spent time with us, what their experience was and how they have felt about our place, about our practice, about the workshop. Let us start from Dr. Rachna. Okay, let's start. She is the wife of my very good friend who is from Bikaner, who is a head and neck surgeon. You should give an unbiased opinion about the whole place and about the whole workshop. Don't think that I am your husband's friend.
And also that when you joined in, you had some expectations. The official aesthetic workshop should have this. So whether we could actually justify your this.
First of all, because you are my husband's friend, that is an added benefit because that put me at ease. I was a little apprehensive before coming here, but that put me at ease when I came here. But I am just going to my family only, so it will be much easier for me, and that really happened when I came here. The environment was really just like that. So and about the workshop, I have already attended one workshop, the similar one, but I didn't learn so many things there. So I have learned a lot. The basics you told us in the online session, they were not taught in that workshop, and the things we practically did, particularly the hands-on things. We did things with our own hands. That is the best part of this workshop, because people will teach you the things, they will show you the on computer screen that this happens like this happens like this, you do this, but they won't hold your hand and teach you. That is the best part about you and ma'am, that you people hold our hands and then you teach us that you do like this. So that boosts our confidence so much that yes, we can also do this.
Right.
And about the clinic, this is a beautiful place, and then I got to know that has been designed by Dr. Aarti herself. I was really impressed. It was such a beautiful place she has designed, and the ambience she has created, it is great. It is, I mean, if you look at all the things, it seems that a professional has done this. Yeah, I love it. But it is a fact. I think everybody would agree. Because everybody was asking who is the designer. Please tell us the name.
Is already career path.
So whenever we are going to start our setup, we are consulted.
I'm there with you guys.
Yes, we have to consult. So all in all, 10 on 10.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Rachna, and thank you for joining us. So then let's go to Dr. Nirmal Nessa. She has been a practicing esthetician in Delhi for like 20 years. Oh, it was like we were fortunate to have you here. So yeah, we were really fortunate to have you here. So how has been your journey for the last 20 years, and what is the difference you have seen in our practice, and what would you like to say?
This is Dr. Nirmal Nessa. Actually, I am basically from Odisha, but residing at Delhi. I have 2 setups to Delhi, but I learned so many things from so many places. But I'll say one thing, it's like amazing place and amazing doctors. I can't explain. मेरे पास word नहीं है. Medical aesthetic एक ऐसा चीज है, like it's not about सिर्फ medical aesthetic. It's a purely artistic job. कोई क्लाइंट आया आपके पास, कोई डेंट है, कोई रिपेयर करना है, इट्स अ प्योरली आई से इट्स अ मेडिकल आर्टिस्ट जॉब. और डॉक्टर आरती के बारे में मैं जितना भी बोलूँ कम है. शी इज लाइक वन ऑफ द पर्सन, एक सिरिंज लोड कराना हाथ पकड़ के, और और थ्योरेटिकल सर ने जितना भी ऑनलाइन दिया वो तो था ही. हैंड्स ऑन में इट्स लाइक अमेजिंग. आई हैव डन सो मेनी इंटरनेशनल कोर्सेज, लेकिन इतना मुझे एक्सपोजर और एक्सपीरियंस मैं यहाँ से जाकर अपने क्लिनिक में बहुत सारी चीज़ें एड ऑन करूँगी और थैंक्स टू सर एंड मैम.
Thank you so much,
It's
Dr.
so
Vinay.
nice.
Thanks so sweet of you, and really, I mean, I was really fortunate that you came here. It was like we were blessed to have you here. 20 years of bada practice. Thank you so much.
And I also must add that she's also planning to open another center very soon.
Oh,
All the best.
all the best.
All the
All the
best.
I am
best. Thank you
planning
so
to
much.
start one of my clinic at Bhubaneswar, Odisha.
Wow.
So in near future, maybe in New Year or
Any
something.
vacancy?
I am also very blessed. बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें, बहुत सारी नई लेज़र और क्लिनिक के बारे में जितना भी बोलूँ कम है, बिकॉज एम्बियंस इतनी सुंदर है और मैम ने खुद हाथ से डिज़ाइन किया. इट्स ए लाइक 5-star क्लिनिक. आई रिकमेंड एवरीवन प्लीज आओ और सर और मैम से कोर्स करो. बहुत कुछ सीखने को
मिलके तो
मिलेगा.
जाओ.
बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा और इतना बोलूँगी कि बहुत सारी चीज़ जितना भी लर्न करो लाइफ में कम है. तो दे आर लाइक गॉड इन गॉडेस.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's so sweet.
Thank you, and good luck to you for your new center. Now let's come to Dr. Prakash. We were really blessed to have you here all the way, traveling from Mauritius, that too like from Mauritius to Dubai, Dubai to Chennai, Chennai to Delhi, Delhi to Mumbai. I know it's a long journey because I mean you really had a hard time reaching us, but I mean thank you so much for coming in, and sir कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
Yes, I study statistics first,
Yeah.
but I have so many phobias.
Phobia. Okay.
Phobia for the chemical fields. Even my son is a doctor,
Okay.
and when he sees a light, he says, "This is a cross." Even my wife is not a doctor,
Okay.
and see how they explain the hypo.
Oh.
I have the machine of hypo, but I did not know how to use it.
Oh.
I did so many effort to come here.
Okay.
First, my flight was cancelled to Mumbai direct. So I called the man, Dr. Arti, and I said,
Oh,
visit.
yeah.
I said, let me come to study before everything closed. He said, no, it's a Diwali time, you are not attending anyone. And I feel bad.
That you couldn't reach us.
Discouraged. How to do. But even that, I try to make my ticket by Dubai. I stay Dubai 22 hours.
Oh my
3
God.
hours in Delhi, and I did 4 PCR
4 RT-PCR to reach us.
to reach.
Yeah.
So now,
But when we start the online session, that will be enough. Means that is so amazing because we study. I think you study the same.
Yeah.
I don't know where, but we study. But where we study, we do not get that knowledge. Because aesthetic knowledge is like this, who can, you do not have phobia, but we have it. I never think you can treat someone like Fred or Botox or Fiance, but I'm thankful to sir and Matalki also, you are here. And we did a lot and a very nice group.
Yeah, that's the best thing. It was really a great group, you
Great
guys.
group. And we get lunch, breakfast and everything like that. And especially Sir teach me, don't eat in the 5 hotel, go on the street and eat vada pav. And so I'm thankful.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
I
much.
recommend everyone who wants to study cosmetology, please don't waste time and don't waste money. Don't waste money, don't waste time. Come direct to sir. Amazing to learn this, Dr. Panda.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was, I mean, I really feel blessed you were here with us, and thank you so much. Who is there? You are here. You are please.
okay,
Do
no,
you want to say something?
I would say that these 6 days have been amazing with all of you. I think now when we are parting, it's like a family. Probably we'll miss each other. And the only thing what I would love to say is, you are all amazing clinicians, and I would love to see you establishing very well as facial estheticians now. And I would love to see all your cases and a lot of discussions again. And good luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now we can say we look courage.
That's so sweet.
That's so
Over to
sweet
sir.
of you.
Over to sir.
I am only
Yeah.
speaking. Okay, now let's go to Dr. Sajida. She's a head and neck surgeon. She was with us a couple of months back to learn hair transplants. She said, no, I want to learn aesthetics. Now she's here with us and Dr. Sajida.
Yes, so hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sajida. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. So I'm a fresher and the very first experience I had with sir and ma'am was when I came here to learn hair transplant. And the moment I finished my course, I was more than confident that I am going to come back right away again here to learn the aesthetics and cosmetology course. Yeah. So believe me, there's a saying they call, for a surgeon you need the heart of a lion, the eyes of a hawk and the hands of a lady. So I think this equally works for an aesthetic cosmetologist also. Yeah, you require these. And believe me, I found these qualities in both ma'am as well as sir. Very humble, very down to earth and teaching like how a parent or a teacher would actually teach you. You know, hold your hand and teach. I really love that attitude. I'm very comfortable that way. To create such a beautiful bond between a boss, that's what we call in our surgery field, the boss, the teacher and the student. I believe very rare I have made this kind of bond, and I really look forward to have this bond maintained in future as well, you know, in surgeries and aesthetic procedures and all. And when it comes to aesthetics and hair transplant, I believe the industry is very vast. It's very, and if I have to say, sophisticated also.
Yeah.
So for all the newbies, new starters, passionate people who want to put their hands into aesthetic industry, please come and start right away from here. I think this is the best place to start your practice in aesthetic medicine. Beautiful, beautiful place to start. I highly recommend Dr. Aarti and Dr. Arun Panda, my favorite
Thank you so
teachers.
much. Thank you so much, Dr. Sajida. God
Very
bless you.
glad. I feel really very lucky to land in the very right place to start my practice. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
Dr.
much.
Sajida. Thank you so
Very,
much.
very
Thank you.
glad.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So let's go on to Dr. Siddharth. He is an ENT surgeon and he is from Nagpur. And best part is like he is here for his wife. His wife is a gynec and I mean they have a huge practice in Nagpur and I wish that their practice grows and I mean I'm really glad that you are entering a great field. I mean it's definitely a great field to work with, and I'm sure, I mean, with the kind of practice which you have, your dad as a plastic surgeon has, and your wife as a gynec has, I mean, I can see your future 5 years from now. I mean, it's going to be the biggest in Nagpur.
Yeah, absolutely. So the 6 days, the course was absolutely hectic, and that is what we want. We want that our 6 days should be utilized to the best, to the fullest. And it was like from morning to evening, all new cases, new procedures, and all expensive, and the latest gadgets and techniques and machines. And the best part was, sir and ma'am were very happy, and by the bottom of the heart, I think they were themselves very happy to teach us. So because of that, I think we all were also very happy, and we were learning. It was like a big family, and that's the best part. So I recommend everyone 10 on 10 to sir and ma'am's clinic.
Thank you so much, Dr. Siddharth. Thanks, and good luck. Thank you so much. Now let's hop on to the next person who is a star. She is a model, she is an actress, and she is a doctor also.
And tycoon in Hyderabad.
And a tycoon, a business tycoon in Hyderabad. We are so fortunate to have you here, Dr. Deepika. So, first of all, before she says anything, please guys, whoever watching us, please see her new release. What's the name of the movie?
It's going to release, it's called we can't
No, it's okay. Happy.
Tereveluka is already released. That are the 3 movies in line.
Okay.
The one which we're releasing now it would be Rowdy Boys.
Rowdy Boys, guys. I think you should see Rowdy Boys. I think that I can pronounce.
Okay, 7:11 p.m.
7:11 p.m. Okay.
Bhari Tara Ganam.
Hari Tara Ganam. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and watch a few movies maybe next year whenever it is coming. We're so fortunate to have you here, Dr. Deepika. It's really nice of you to be here. I mean, what would you like to say?
So, hello guys, I'm Deepika and I'm from Hyderabad. Sir has over-exaggerated my introduction, but I'm I'm not that big either, but I'll just talk about the course that I've attended. So I've known Dr. Arun Panda through my husband, Dr. Akash. He recommended me this course because he had already attended this course and he told me like, you know, this is amazing, you have to go. So I'm a fresher. I've graduated in 2019 December. It's been a year. So as a fresher, we're usually very confused. What is the next step? It's there in all of our minds. We don't know whether we should do PG, we should do MBA. We're very, very confused. So similarly, I was in the state of confusion. I was exploring a lot of things. So far, I have been towards administration, but I didn't find my passion in dentistry yet. I was struggling to find that. I have tried everything else, but I was not very happy. Then finally, I just landed here in Mumbai, and I was like, okay, let me just try this out. So the moment I entered the clinic, obviously just the appearance of the clinic is so beautiful that the moment you enter, you already know how artistic Dr. Arun Panda and Dr. Aarti have been in just designing the clinic. So that was the first impression that I had. The clinic is like beautiful and wonderful. Then I've already known Dr. Arun Panda, but Dr. Aarti, I've just known her a little more now. So as people, they are such warm people, such friendly people. See, what I believe is, you don't start learning because you don't find right teachers. That is very important. You need to find the right teacher to start learning something. And that is where your love towards something develops. So far, maybe I have not found the right teachers, but I'm very glad that I have found the right teachers. And I'm very fortunate that right in my first step, this is my first ever course in aesthetics, that I've just found the right people. So I'm very, very fortunate. Thank God I found this place. But even though this is my first course, I can tell that I can just start practicing right from tomorrow. At least that much of knowledge I have. And I'm so thankful to these two amazing people, and I'll be so forever grateful to you guys. Maybe 10 years from now, 20 years on from now, if I become a star, I'll always be grateful to Dr. Arun Panda and Dr. Aarti. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for all Vada Pav you people tell us. I love Vada Pav.
One thing I want to add, the staff here, the people in the team of Dr. Arun and Dr. Aarti, they are wonderful people. And I have, you don't mind if I take their names? Sakshi, Ujjwala, Usha, Amarjeet, Prakash, Lakshmi, all of them are really wonderful, wonderful girls and wonderful boys. All of them. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So guys, it was really nice to have you here. Looking forward to see you grow. I mean, you guys are already big, I know that, but looking forward to see you guys grow more and more in the field of facial aesthetics. Good luck to you guys. God bless.
And we're always there whenever you need us.
Thank you.